Hello guys, my name is Henry, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a CyberPatriot script. So let's get started. First, you want to make sure you have extensions on. To do that, search hidden, and then make sure you have hide extensions for no file types. Takes off. Right click on the desktop, new text document. Name it whatever you want. I'm just going to name mine MS for Microsoft, and get rid of the .txt and make it into a .bat. Hit yes. Right click. You can use Notepad. I highly recommend you use Microsoft Code or Notepad++. I'll leave both of those apps in the description. Now you have this, so let me make this a little bit bigger. So let me bring up CMD to demonstrate what some of the commands do. So first we're going to use echo off. So what that does, it just makes the scripts look cleaner and gets rid of this right here. Next we're going to do title. Title, well, it changes the title, so right up here. And then next we're going to do color. We're going to do that nice hacker color, which is 0A. 0A, which is a nice neon green. So next we're going to type in REM. REM is like kind of like hashing it out, so the script will ignore it. So here I'm just going to do admin and guest, because this is where we're going to switch. This is where we're going to turn off the admin and guest. So to do that, type in net user administrator active no. And then copy what you just wrote, put it on the next line, and replace your administrator with guest. REM, next we're going to be doing firewall. So we're just going to type in firewall. So for firewall, what you need to do is net sh space adv firewall space set space all profiles space state space on. Remember, you can pause so you can like actually write it. So netsh is like a command that changes advanced settings. So we're going to choose the advanced firewall. Then we're going to set all profiles, all users, so their firewall state is on. After that, we're going to do telnet. So REM telnet. So for that, all you need to do is dism /online /disable feature. I'm just going to copy and paste this /feature name telnet client. Just like that. Copy what you just wrote, and then paste it on the next line. And then rename client to server with a capital S. Next, we're going to turn off the services. So SC, which is stop, or which stands for like the service, stop space in quotes TLNTCVR quote, then SC, and after that, then redo that, or not redo that. On the next line, type in SC config space TLNT CVR start equals disabled. And this kind of goes, this does this, and disables like the thing by going through properties, then disabling it. So define like these like shortened names. All you need to do is right click the thing you want to do, properties, and the name is right there. And you need to copy that and put it in your script. So next we're going to do remote desktop, REM, remote desktop, or however you want to do it. And I'm just going to copy paste this once again. And these are like all the remote desktop things. So like all of this stuff right here. Disables all that. And also disables the remote registry. Also, I'll put this in the description because it's kind of a long thing, is this. So this like kind of goes into the settings and disables the actual thing. Like disables the actual thing. So if I go over to remote desktop, it changes it to this. And yeah. So next week I'm going to be going over local policies, like clearing cache and making control panels and how to install programs. So stay tuned for that. Have a good day.